This is Heidi from StoneGnome.com. I would like to show you another kind of reversed stitches that has nothing to do with the crab stitch. This pumpkin is made from Tunisian knit stitches here, but the wings are made with regular crochet stitches. The wings here are made on rows, like going back and forward, and they have a little bit of ridges here at the front side. Now, when I was supposed to do the second wing, I wanted to do it the same way, but I wanted the ridges to be on the other side of the work. And for that you can use reverse stitches, which are mainly used with Tunisian crochet, but it also works with regular crochet. So I'll show you how to do this. Here I have a short row of single crochet stitches. And now I want to do the next row. So I'm turning my work. And for this row I will make some slip stitches and then some single crochet stitches. And I will enter into the first hole here for my first stitch. You see, usually I will just insert my hook, yarn over, and if it was a slip stitch I would go all the way through like that. Now I want to do this reversed. So I'll go into the same hole, but I'll go in from the back like that, yarn over and all the way through. And I don't know if you noticed, but I can show it again. I keep my working yarn in front of the work and in front of the hook. So I'm entering the stitch from behind the work, yarn over, pull through, and if this is a slip stitch, I'm pulling all the way through like that. So this is a reverse slip stitch. Now I want to do some single crochet stitches, and I will do that in the next hole here. I'll just show you how I do a regular crochet stitch first. From here I'll just insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through all loops. Now this is how you do a regular single crochet stitch. I'll do the same in the reverse version now. So I'll keep my working yarn in front of the hook and the work. Now I'm inserting the hook from the back into the hole, into the stitch here, yarn over, pull through, and for a single crochet stitch I'll just yarn over and pull through all loops. So this is how you do reverse stitches.